Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. A table saw is a great tool to make long straight cuts in pieces of wood. This is my table saw and I absolutely love using it. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a long straight cut in this piece of wood without using a table saw, with only using a circular saw and one attachment made by the KREG company. This is the KREG company Rip-Cut guide. I'm going to show you how you can make rip cuts using their adjustable fence technology. What I love about this rip cut guide is that it is compatible with almost every circular saw. They have these two clamps here that you're just going to loosen up using a Phillips head screwdriver. This will allow them to come away from the guide and allow you to slide your circular saw into this guide block. You can see here that I prefer a Makita circular saw. So I have my circular saw in this jig now. I'm just placing it in to where the metal bottom frame of my circular saw, or this metal bottom plate of my circular saw, fits flat up against the jig. And I want to also make sure that I'm pressing it up to the top part and securing that in place with these two clamps. Just move the clamp over the metal jig and then hand tighten it down with your Phillips head screwdriver. It's important to hand tighten these down with a Phillips head screwdriver and to not use some sort of ratcheting gun or drill to hand tighten those screws down. Once you have those hand tightened down, the jig will stay tight and secure to your circular saw. The guide at the top is very easy to read and it's easy to adjust this as well. You can go out a couple feet if you want to, but I'm going to go ahead and place mine on about 4 inches and line that up here at the 4-inch mark, and then just move this gray piece here to lock it in place. And now I can make a rip cut at 4 inches. I think it's important to note that when you're going to do this, maybe play around with this a little bit before trusting that measurement completely. You always want to account for the length or the width of your actual blade. So for instance, if I want to make a 4-inch cut, I might have to adjust that to 4 1/4 inches or 4 1/8 inches wide. Now just line up, hold your guide up against the board, and make your cut. I hope you found this video helpful. This tool and this jig can make any beginner woodworker look better. Utilize these tools and tricks. You don't need to always go out and buy the big table saw. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.